कहते हैं?
ड्रीम
क्या बोला था? नॉन लिविंग. Where is it used in our home or our? Is it used in our home?
No.
चार और हैं. No. Is it in black color?
Yes.
Is it a blackboard?
Have I strips on my body? No.
You have to guess.
Opposite. Third one is past event.
Past events. Current affairs. He's right. You won one chance.
Proceed with the next question. The next question is, please find a word from the passage that is similar to the following. So we have to choose the synonym of the word. So the first word is focus. Concentration, right answer. Sir.
Patty the milkmaid had just finished milking her cow and had 2 full pails of fresh
If I would be the Prime Minister of India, I think there are many things I have to do. I want to change the mentality of the people of India. I don't want any religious thing in my country. I don't want any casteism in my country. All should be equal. There are I think all must have employment. All must have रोजगार जिसको कहते हैं. All must have fulfill their dreams. All young people, I think students should have their work. They have their services. Everywhere, I think I want everywhere there is a peace. No tension.
Where I see myself still young.
Time to make rain. Maybe fog.
Place. Where is the soldier? In the forest. Very good.
One day, Shavini went to the market on her scooty. She saw 2 bulls fighting on her way. She was afraid of the bulls, but This made her much scared. She was in a hurry and was thinking that somehow the bulls get out of her way. People were gathered around to see that horrific fight. Both of bulls looked equally strong and none of them
very confident कि इस ग्रुप से 3-4 लोग उस स्टार को बता देंगे. I'm
degree, one chance, fine, discipline, devotion, perfect, aim, condition, listen.
very nice.
Lipstick, songs, story, start, might, sugar, promising, age.
Wonderful.